Users can edit print messages for Dotjet Eggshell Printer on a computer in their office.
The completed print message can be immediately transferred to the printer controller. You don't have to rely on a USB stick anymore to transfer files. Instead, you can change and transfer files remotely from your office. With remote monitoring capabilities, the Egg printer's screen can be instantly displayed on a computer. The system can connect and monitor up to 16 inkjet printers. Users can see the ink warning displayed on the screen through remote monitoring. The alarm tower's yellow light indicating low ink levels is easily noticeable by on-site operators.
Dotjet Eggshell Printer, an egg coder suitable for automated egg package lines, provides an easy solution for eggshell coding and production management. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We are happy to introduce Dotjet Eggshell Printer Egg Coder to you.